Hi travelers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm assuming because you clicked on this video, you're probably a traveler like myself, and if you're anything like me, you're always looking for the next best way to maximize packing while on a trip. And having that perfect set of luggage or suitcases is seriously sometimes what makes or breaks it, and how easy it is to pack. I'm always looking for the best way to pack. I still feel like I haven't found that perfect suitcase for myself. However, not long ago, I found out about Shay Mitchell's travel luggage brand. If you don't know who Shay Mitchell is, she is an actress who is famously known for being in Pretty Little Liars, which I, of course, loved growing up. But she is actually a huge traveler herself, and she came up with a brand named BÉIS. And the whole idea behind it is made for a traveler by a traveler. Since Shay is a traveler herself, she knows exactly what any person needs in order to maximize packing. So she created her own luggage brand that has become very, very popular. There are a few bags that are pretty popular from Shay Mitchell's brand, but one of the ones that really caught my eye was the Weekender. And during Black Friday, I noticed that they were having a great sale. So I sent the link over to my husband and I said, hey, I'd love to have this for Christmas. Yeah, so I did end up getting it for Christmas, and today I wanted to show you guys my first impressions of the Weekender bag. I am so excited to use it. I really think that this is going to help maximize my packing. So I'm really excited to show you guys what the Weekender looks like. Just for some clarification, there are two types of Weekenders. There is the small Weekender and the larger, bigger Weekender. I did get the one on the larger side because that is what I particularly wanted, and I did get it in beige. So let's go ahead and dive into what my first impressions are. Alright guys, so this is the BÉIS Weekender bag. And like I said, I did get it in the beige color. It does come in a black as well, and I think a few different other colors. While I know black is probably easier for travel as far as not becoming dirty, I just personally liked this color a lot more, and in person I really like it. I love tan, I love that it's neutral, but also it's just really cute. So off the bat, this material feels really sturdy. This is like a canvas material, and on the bottom is like a leather, and I read that it is pleather, so it is supposed to be animal friendly, and also it comes with two different straps. So here is the crossbody strap, and then there is just like an over the shoulder strap. I personally feel like I'll probably use the cross-the-body strap more, just because of back issues and things like that, and just ease of carrying. But both strap options feel really sturdy, so that's really good. So overall, the bag, first impressions, looks great. On the back, it has this trolley pocket so that you can sit it on top of a suitcase, which I love that option. Huge, especially if you're going to be packing everything on as a carry-on and you use a roller suitcase. You can just pop that on there and get going, which I love. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the bag. Okay, so the top is definitely like one of those old like doctor bags that I'm sure you guys have seen on like TV shows and whatnot. So it kind of opens like this, and you get the open of the bag here. So off the bat, I see that there is a zip right here with two like smaller pockets. I would say like iPad, Kindle could probably fit in those, wallets, etc. And then on this other side, it appears like a larger laptop folder, which is nice because I always carry my laptop with me while I'm traveling for work. And then it is very, very deep. It looks like it would fit quite a lot. It also has this. This appears to be a key clip, so you can keep your keys handy, which is also great because I don't know about you, but my keys definitely get lost in my bag sometimes. So This is really big. I really like the material. It seems like it would be easy to wipe out if there was ever like a spill or anything like that, which is really good. So I really like it so far. It is really big and I feel like I could get quite a bit in there. The thing that really sold me on this bag was the bottom section. So something that I really hate about packing is shoes, because I'm a shoe person. I like different shoes for different outfits, but realistically, you can't bring your whole closet. But what I do want to do is maximize my space for shoes and taking a carry-on. So what I liked about this one is that this section in the bottom opened so that you could put shoes down here. And as you can tell, it's quite big, and I feel like depending on the size of shoe, you can get quite a few different shoes in here, or you could even put different bags, makeup, toiletries, and things like that down here as well. So I really like that. So my overall first impression of this bag is that I really like it so far. It seems really sturdy. It seems like I am going to be able to maximize the space really well. And I'm really excited to use it. I love the material, I love the color, and I also love the 2-strap option. Now, I am going to be traveling really soon and carrying this for the first time. So I really want to do an update video in just a few weeks to tell you guys what my experience was the first time I traveled. This will be domestic travel, so I will not be able to give my full experience while traveling abroad, but that will come in a few short months as well, and I'm happy to do an update video then as well. But let me know if you guys want to see my first impressions after travel. I'm happy to do that, but so far I really like it and I'm really excited to get to use this. I'm really excited to see how this works, and hopefully I can recommend this to your travel collection as well. So give me a thumbs up if you guys want to see an update on how I feel about it, what my thoughts are after my first travel in just a few weeks. Other than that, definitely leave a comment down below if you've tried anything from BÉIS. Let me know your thoughts. I'm definitely eyeballing a few more bags myself on BÉIS, especially if this works really well. So I'd love to hear your all's thoughts and ideas on this brand. But other than that, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye and happy travels!